Guys, so I am here to show a sort of walkthrough of my pocket planner. This is my very first pocket rings planner. I purchased this from Amazon. Last I checked, it was sold out from this seller, but I will link it down below either way, and then if I find a different one that is in stock, I'll also link that. But this is so super cute. It's like the iridescent, I guess, plastic, and it is 6 rings, pocket size. I think it's so adorable. I have this piece of white paper here to help with the autofocus because my camera wants to turn blue because of this. But I use the Mommy Lhey Little Bits April subscription kit. I was so lucky to be able to have grabbed one when she put them up for resale. And I'm now subscribed because I just had to have this kit, and yeah, I think all of the pieces came together very nicely. I want to say the majority of the things in here are from her collection or from that specific kit, including this little tassel right here. She's always great about adding extras. So let's just go ahead and walk through. I don't have it clasped or button closed, but this is a button closure. And when you open it up, I made this clear dashboard out of divider sleeves, and using my, I think it was Becky Higgins, what is that thing called? You know, the heat tool. Not the heat gun, but the fuse tool. Yes, my Becky Higgins fuse tool. I was undecided about whether or not I should add something here, but I think I like being able to just like see through into it. I've literally just finished setting this up, so my inserts are blank, but I will be using it over the next few weeks. I'm going to use this as my July, my one book in July. So wish me luck. And this is just the back. I used some die cuts from Mommy Lhey, and I'm using all of her packaging. I want to say this was from the packaging and this from the packaging. I didn't cut into any of the papers because they're just so cute. I'm afraid to mess them up. Here is a dashboard that I made using washi tape. The focus was the Mommy Lhey little unicorn washi tape from this kit, but I also brought in some washi from Michaels and one Simply Gilded washi. But this was the washi from when Michaels had that watercolor collection that came out that was really popular. But yeah, so it's kind of old. These die cuts are from Mommy Lhey, and I just added those to the back. I was able to actually print out this paper because she always adds digitals. It's blank on the back side, so I just used this cute little, I guess this is a clover that I found in my collection, just a little paper clip to hold them together. And the tabs I made as well using the watercolor paper from this collection that was given to us digitally. And then here are my monthlies. These inserts are from Scrapcraftastic. I can't wait to start using them. Mommy Lhey actually has, see if I can pull them out, really pretty stickers, so like I can decorate my months and my weeks using these stickers. So I'm really excited to go ahead and get started with that. And I created this clip-in or pop-in bookmark using printed papers from her digital kit in my Silhouette Studio or Silhouette Cameo. So that's our monthly. I have tons of monthly inserts in there. And then this little pretty glitter paper clip was from the collection, and I believe this was packaging, and I just cut it down. Yes, it's the card that says everything that's inside of it. So I paper clipped that to some papers that I printed and cut from the digital kit, so that you can't kind of see what's on the back, because on the back is just the text that shows what's in the kit. And then the tab that I added. Another little pop-in to show the weekly, and these inserts are from, and I think I'm going to go ahead and clip this. These inserts are from Scrapcraftastic as well. And I like these weekly inserts because there's like plenty of space to just like jot quick things down in. I made a daily tab or daily divider from those papers that I printed as well. And then this is from Scrapcraftastic. These are her daily inserts. So here's my today little clip-in, and I love these. I asked her, she first had them with lines, but I asked her to do a grid so that it gave you more freedom, gives me more freedom to like put things where I want, and I didn't feel kind of held down to the lines. And yeah, so these are dailies. I'm excited about getting into those for the month of July. And then last but not least is, I guess not last, oh, I also printed out some from Brooks Printables because I was going to see if I would like to try these. So I just stuck them in the back. And then I have my notes tab, and I need to find some lined paper, or I actually have some, what is it? Tomo River paper that's coming in that I'm thinking about putting in here for our notes, for the notes section. Then lastly, I made this washi holder with really bright colors that definitely match the kit or the Little Bits collection from a bookmark. I just laminated the bookmark and then stuck the washi tape on it. You might hear Ari in the background refusing lunch, which is a surprise. I think she's just tired. And here is, I think this is a bit of packaging as well that I cut down just to put in the back, and I did add a Target sleeve. I cut it almost like secretarial and then cut the seam right here so that I could just slide things in and out. Makes it really easy. And yeah, that is it. That is the entire pocket planner, and like I said, I'm using this for the month of July, my one book in July. I will be using my Erin Condren just to do, like, you know, regular weekly spreads, but this is going to be coming around with me, and it will be what I go to every day. I'm so excited about these dailies every day to make sure that I am just keeping track of the things that I need to do. So if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And if there's anything that you saw that I made here and you'd like me to do a tutorial on it, I'm more than happy to do that. Just leave that in the comments as well and come back, because I think what I'll try to do is every week just do a flip through of how I used it for that week to show you like how I'm using the weekly inserts. I'll also try to keep record on my Instagram, which I'll link down below. If you want to go ahead and follow me, it's just Simply by Heart on Instagram, and I will be taking daily pictures of how I'm also using this planner. I'm just so excited about it. I think all of this is just so super cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.